Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to enable push-to-talk in Zoom. The push-to-talk feature allows you to remain muted during your Zoom meeting. To unmute and talk, just hold down the spacebar and speak. Release the spacebar and you will be muted back again. This option is great to use if you have unwanted background noise or in a room full of other people having a conversation that ends up being a distraction. Okay, to enable the push-to-talk feature, open and sign into your Zoom account using the Zoom desktop client app. If you do not have the app, head over to zoom.com, hover over Resources, download Zoom Client. Under Zoom Client for Meetings, hit Download. Wait for the file to download. Click the file to start the installation. The Zoom sign-in page will automatically open when the install is finished. Sign in. Go to Settings. If you do not see the Settings icon, go to your profile and Settings. Click Audio and check the option Press and hold Space key to temporarily unmute yourself. Push to talk is now enabled and you can close the settings. Now, during a Zoom meeting, you will be muted. If you wish to talk, just hold down the spacebar and speak. Your screen will show a message indicating that you are temporarily unmuted, and the microphone icon will appear green when you talk. Just a quick note, if the host has prevented participants from unmuting themselves, you will not be able to unmute yourself with push to talk. Hopefully, this video has been helpful to you. Leave comments and questions below, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in my other videos. Bye.